Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. Today, we are going to talk about how to set up the two-digit addition problem. When you're asked to complete a two-digit addition problem, there are two strategies you should use to help you solve. The first strategy is to set your problem up vertically. This means you stack the numbers on top of each other instead of reading them from left to right. This is a helpful strategy because we want to be able to add our tens and ones correctly. If we add the problem from left to right, it's hard for us to keep track of our tens and ones. But if I set it up vertically, I'm going to make sure not to confuse my tens and ones. I'm going to have one side just for my tens and one side just for my ones. That way I'll line them up to add my ones together and my tens together. So let's line up 24 and 14 vertically. So my first number is 24. I'm going to put it on top. It has two tens and four ones. So two tens, four ones. There's 24. The next number is 14. 14 has one 10 and four ones. So I'm going to put a plus sign and then one 10 and four ones for 14. Now I've set up 24 and 14 so that I can add them vertically by adding my ones and my tens without confusing myself. The other strategy we need to use always is our place value picture chart. So using visuals is a very helpful and important strategy when adding two-digit numbers. We use our place value picture representations to help us do this. When I'm adding, I'm putting two parts together to make a whole. So I'm representing both of these parts in my chart. My first part is 24 because I have two tens and four ones. And my other part is 14 because I have one 10 and four ones. So I'm showing the two parts broken up into tens and ones so that I can put them together properly to make my whole. So now that I've showed you my two strategies, let's use them to solve 24 plus 14. So I always start by looking at my ones. You always start with your ones. I have 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. Let's count them up. Ready? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. I have 8 ones. 4 plus 4 equals 8. All right, let's do our tens now. I have two tens and one 10. So I'm going to count them up here. Two tens and one 10. Ready? Okay, let's go. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. I have 3 tens altogether. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I've added 24 and 14 by breaking up the tens and ones and found that I have 3 tens and 8 ones. So who can tell me what 24 plus 14 is? That's right. 24 plus 14 is 38. 24 plus 14 is 38. So as you can see, I've used my vertical addition and my place value picture chart as strategies that have really helped me solve my two-digit addition problem. Here's what I'm going to have you do for tomorrow. I'm going to have you do a challenge problem that has us use these two strategies. So our challenge problem is going to be 24 plus 15. And what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to set it up vertically and then do your tens and ones chart and solve your problem. I know you girls are going to do a great job because I think you've been practicing. I'm really excited to see how you do. I love you so much, and I hope you're having a great day. All right, bye-bye.